This is a brand new 2013 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. It features a 3.6-liter 6-cylinder engine, a 5-speed automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a remote start feature, heated seats, a limited slip differential, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, and hill descent control. The following features are also included: a premium audio system, a low tire pressure indicator, aluminum wheels, leather seats, a passenger side vanity mirror, side impact airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, and satellite radio. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Thank you for considering Moritz Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram for your next luxury vehicle. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership, located at 9101 Camp Bowie West in Fort Worth.